Hey YouTubers, I bought a wood stove a while back and it was missing a few pieces, but I got a really great deal on it, really awesome deal. So I decided to go ahead and make some of the pieces that I needed. The only, because the wood stove I bought is actually made in Australia. It's a Kunara, and I tried contacting the company, and of course they don't ever respond. So that's definitely one negative towards Kunara. So you guys keep that in mind. I don't really know how many people here are from Australia, but anyways, so the pieces I needed them to be decent thickness, for some of the parts that go inside of it. So bought me some square channel. So you can see here from Napa. Actually, I guess that's upside down. Let's see. Square channel from Napa. That was one of the things I needed. You can see the thickness. Let's see if I can get this around here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's about a 16th of an inch thick. Not too bad. Could use a hacksaw on that if I wanted to. Maybe a jigsaw. The other thing I needed some plate steel. So this is 1/8 inch thick plate steel. You can see. Um, if you guys can see this, if I put this at the 1 inch mark, you can see that it comes up at 1/8 inch thickness. So the problem I had was, how was I going to cut pieces that were going to be, 625 millimeters long, or, you know, 24.6 inches long. Cut several of those. Didn't want to use a jigsaw because I know it takes forever. So I looked around, couldn't find anything on the internet, couldn't find anything at all. So ended up going to Lowe's, and I was able to find this, a Lennox steel cutting 7 1/4 inch 5/8 inch shank saw blade, made for steel. The only one that they sold. It was very pricey, but I am very, very happy with it. I would recommend it to anybody. I've made 2 cuts on this thing, and it probably cuts easier than a table saw does through plywood. So very impressed. I'm going to make a few cuts here for you guys just to let you see how well it does. But I would definitely recommend this blade, and I'll show you why. All right. So we're going to adjust it here so you guys can see as I cut through this. Stuff out of the way. Getting all my stuff off my table. Okay. So you can see, did really smooth, really easy. I'm going to cut the square channel now, which should be even a lot simpler because, you know, it's thinner metal. Okay. Of course, I missed my mark, but that was my first time of actually cutting a square channel. But either way, nice, smooth cuts. You know, a little bit of filing, not much burrs left. Anyways, that's it. Again, it was a Lennox blade, steel cutting blade, 7 1/4 by 5/8. Part number 21894.